Here's where we stay in Tagaytay for 3 days and 2 nights. This is Infinity Pines, Tagaytay, located in Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road beside Cecilia's Bukupay. So, let's have a room tour. Our room is on the second floor, so isang hagdan lang ang inakyat namin from the lobby or reception area. As you can see, sobrang simple lang niya, hindi ganun kaganda tulad ng ibang staycation. Pero what we like about their room is malinis naman siya, may sariling CR with flat screen TV, and malakas din yung wifi nila. So, pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-work dito kasi yung wifi nila is separate per floor. I already tried to work here and okay na okay naman. Plus points yung may pachinela sila that you can use outside. Madalas kasi ito yung wala sa mga napupuntahan naming staycation. One of the best amenities we like here is yung free access sa swimming pool nila. You can swim anytime you like. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung night view ng pool area nila. So we decided na mag-swimming na kasi sobrang ganda. Tanaw na tanaw dito yung kapitbahay na resort or staycation. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan niya, pero ang ganda din niya. Heated na nga pala yung tubig ng pool nila, kaya ang sarap mag-swimming kahit gabi na. We had our breakfast here with this view. Ang ganda, ang sarap kumain at magkape habang nakatingin sa ganitong view. Kasama na nga pala sa package yung breakfast nila. They serve Filipino breakfast food and masarap yung food nila. Hindi nga lang free yung coffee, pero the drinking water naman is free kaya goods na din. So, yung binayaran namin na 199 per day, ang inclusion nun is free breakfast, free swimming pool access, 30 minutes KTV, and 30 minutes jacuzzi. Since 2 days kami, kaya ginawa ng tig 1 hour yung jacuzzi namin at saka yung KTV.
Yay! Galing siyang for the bubble. Bakit din pala natin? Lalagyan ko yan. Thank you po. Apo, thank you.
last night we do a 1 hour or KTV on this entertainment room area. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, follow me.